Wise withdraw. Warning. The fee you never see. So hey guys, in today's video we'll be discussing about that. So on the organal Promise Banking Without Border, founded 2011, the hook, transparent mid-market rate and simple flat rate fee, no hidden cost, no surprises. Early transactions, 1M sent within months with zero marketing spent. Users spread the word themselves. So the evolution from flat fees to variable costs. So market dynamics. Costs now fluctuate based on currency pairs and funding methods. The hidden drag, withdrawal and transfer fees are now dynamic, not static. So the anatomy of a modern transaction. Currency, volatility, funding friction, fees shift significantly between ACH, where card payments, card funding is often the costliest, and real world impact. Users on high volume transfers often pay far more than expected. So, take control. So, here, take control, guys. Verify your rate. Always check the full dynamic fee breakdown before clicking confirm, not just the headline rate. And time your transfer, select the funding method that bypass high percentage processing charge, and watch the destination fee change based on the destination currency, not just the base currency. Always check both sides of the transaction. The more you transfer, the more these fees compound. A few minutes of review can save you significant money. There you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have a question, dapat ako siyang balagay. Sabi na as soon as possible. And thank you guys.